Canada Goose. Goose, goose. Canada Goose. This outside guys, the garden. Di pa tapos talaga guys. Oh. May restaurant separate. Ayan, ang view sa likod guys side. Ayan po. Oh, view. Doon pala ang view. Nice. What is this? Bakal? Ano siya? Hindi ko alam. Galba? I don't know. Something, yeah. Water. It's a huge mall, guys. Our neighborhood mall. Louis Vuitton is right there, guys. Louis Vuitton. Ay! Ito, Gucci. Magkaharap sila, Louis Vuitton sa Gucci, oh. Yan, gustong-gusto na ito mga ano, guys. Singkit ang mata. Alam nyo na. Makay. Mahal din to, guys. Mahal. Everyone is sitting, resting. Toilet, ang ganda ng ano guys, oh, para tayo pupunta sa tunnel. Ang toilet, ang floor, wow. Michael Kors guys, Michael Kors, ayan na po. Parking there guys, parking. May bayad po. Kaya Muslim ang nagtitrain na. Bikini Village, Starbucks, and Pole Rouge Chicken. Let's go see here what do you have? It's wow. Wow. Here, I think that's restaurant. Let's go here guys. We're gonna walk in here. Show you around para tayo nag-exercise. Royal Mall. Here guys, this is the view. Hindi ko alam kung ito ang front. Keep walking. Come on guys, keep walking. Ang dami ng tutor guys. Ang dami tutor. Oh, soup. Oh, dumpling. Oh boy, I love there. Look at the flower. Oh, ito rin sa ano pala, yung sa side. Ramen. Ramen guys. Ramen soup, good for the winter. Oh wow, cold weather. Mga restaurant pala guys is nasa side sa labas. Sa likod-likod. This parking area. You can see. Wow, it's a big parking. And this is the highway now. There's the highway there. And this parking area. Let's go. Go back. Wow, they did a good job in this garden. Garden at the back. Exit. Falls now. Nag-change na yung leaves. Here. Oh, airplane over there. Airplane. Hi. Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Alright. There's a restaurant guys there. Burger. Label Burger. Uniqlo. Ang bit-bit nila guys. Uniqlo. Milestone. The other side. Hindi pa tap. Mga restaurant guys. Hindi pa ready. Go. Walking. RH Montreal Overture 2025. May annex guys nandun sa kabila. Annex. Yan guys, ito ang garden. Dito sila nag-uupuan. Alright. Kakainan, burger, take out. Ang cute to, tubig. Thank you guys. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.